A home-based business or hobby farm, this property includes 20 acres west/ a large workshop, 2 to 3 bedroom 2-bath mobile home, cabin, garden shed and fruit cellar. Priced at $239,900, this would be perfect for the person that likes to work from home. Being used as a lawnmower and chainsaw repair shop, this property could be anything you want. Currently it has contracts from MODOT, Shannon County, Whetstone and Mountain View Healthcare, to name a few. Continue the existing business or start something new. The possibilities are endless. It also includes an office area and bathroom. The 2 to 3 bedroom 2-bath home is perfect for a young couple just starting out. It has high-speed internet, central heat and air, private well and lagoon, all with highway frontage. The yard is large with plenty of space for a dog and your children to run and play. The property is a combination of cleared and wooded and home to an abundance of wildlife. The back of the home includes a fenced area perfect for the family dog. It also includes a deck. Use this building as a garden shed, cabin for guests or even a playhouse for the children. This detached single-car garage is oversized. The property also includes a storage shed and a fruit cellar. The living room includes wide doorways and hardwood laminate flooring. The large archway behind the couch is actually the master bedroom, which was turned into a dining room. It could easily be converted back to a 3-bedroom home, but currently is a 2-bedroom home. Previously this was the master bedroom but is currently being used as a dining room. Notice how large it is. The kitchen includes oak cabinets and vinyl flooring. This is one of the bedrooms. It has carpet flooring and a bright window. This bedroom is much like the previous one in features and size. The home has 2 bathrooms. Both of them include a tub and shower combo, vanity with sink and vinyl flooring. The shop is a little way from the house, providing separation between the two but also within walking distance. If you like working from home, this property could be just what you're looking for, so give us a call to schedule your private showing.